What if you could follow the trades of experienced crypto traders without sitting in front of charts all day? That's the idea behind automated crypto copy trading, but before you get excited, there's a side of this strategy most influencers don't show you. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down how automated crypto copy trading actually works, how people attempt to profit from it, and the biggest mistakes that can turn a promising strategy into an expensive lesson. What is crypto copy trading? Copy trading allows you to connect your account to a platform where your trades automatically mirror those of another trader. For example, imagine you allocate $1,000 to follow a trader. If that trader opens a Bitcoin position using 5% of their portfolio, your account can automatically open a proportional position depending on the platform's settings. Automation means you don't manually place every trade, but here's the important part: automation does not mean guaranteed profits. If the trader loses, you can lose too. Step 1. Choose the trader, not just the returns. This is where beginners often get fooled. A trader showing 150% returns might look irresistible, but huge returns can come from extreme leverage, concentrated positions, or taking enormous risks. Instead, examine performance over a meaningful period, maximum drawdown number and frequency of trades, risk level, use of leverage, consistency during market downturns, whether the strategy is understandable. A trader making 20% with controlled risk may be far more attractive than someone making 200% while exposing the account to potentially devastating losses. Step 2. Start small. Never treat copy trading like a guaranteed passive income machine. Suppose you have $5,000 available. Instead of copying one trader with the entire amount, you might experiment with a much smaller portion while learning how the system behaves. Set a maximum loss you're genuinely comfortable accepting. And remember, only use money you can afford to lose. Step 3. Understand the FEs. Your actual return isn't simply the trader's displayed return. You may encounter trading FEs, spreads, withdrawal costs, subscription or performance FEs, and potentially other platform charges. A strategy that looks profitable before costs can become much less attractive after them. Step 4. Diversify carefully. Copying 5 traders doesn't automatically mean you're diversified. If all 5 are heavily exposed to Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the same high-risk altcoins, your portfolio could still behave like one giant bet. Look for genuine differences in strategy and risk, but don't overcomplicate things. The biggest trap: set it and forget it. This is the viral promise you should question. Crypto markets can change dramatically. A trader who performed brilliantly during a bull market may struggle when conditions reverse. Automation removes the need to manually execute trades. It does not remove your responsibility to monitor risk. Review performance regularly and establish rules for when you will stop copying a trader. Final reality check. Automated crypto copy trading can provide a convenient way to learn from experienced traders and automate execution, but it is not free money, guaranteed income, or a shortcut to wealth.